In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate a section block ID in your active page layout and link a trigger button to it using Chrome. This is a simple but very useful setup if you want a button at the top of your page to jump visitors directly to a specific section farther down the layout. It creates a smoother experience and helps people get where they need to go faster. To begin, open your active page in Chrome and look through the page structure layout grid. What you're trying to find is the unique section block ID for the exact section you want the button to scroll to. This target tag is usually attached to that specific section block so the page can recognize it as a destination. Take your time here and make sure you identify the correct section because the button will only work properly if it points to the right ID. When you find it, copy the ID exactly as it appears. Accuracy matters, including any hyphens or formatting. Next, go to the trigger button block component that's positioned at the top of your page section canvas. Open the button settings so you can edit its link behavior. This is the button users will click, so you want to make sure you're editing the correct one, especially if your page has multiple buttons with similar labels or styles. Once you're inside the button settings, locate the URL tracking path text box input line. In that field, paste the target ID tag value directly. The format should include the hashtag symbol followed by the section ID, like this, hashtag, then the target section name. That hashtag is important because it tells the page to treat the value as an anchor link rather than a full web address. If you leave it out, the jump may not work as expected. After pasting the target ID into the button URL field, do a quick check to confirm there are no extra spaces before or after the value. Small formatting issues can cause the link to fail, so this final review is worth a few seconds. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your button should now be connected to the section you selected, allowing users to click and jump directly to that part of the page. After saving, it's a good idea to preview or test the page in Chrome to confirm the button scrolls to the intended section smoothly. If it doesn't, go back and verify that the section ID and the button link match exactly.